Hey guys, today we are going to cook some jalapeno cornbread from Famous Dave's. So we'll get this going. Alright guys, I'm going to be doing the jumbo muffin. So I got the mixture here. I got a third cup of milk. I got the box here so we can read the instructions. And of course we have a third cup of water. So we'll see when we put it in the oven. Hey guys, we are currently mixing everything, and I forgot to say that it takes 1 egg too. So here we go. Now what we're going to do is take this, fill these things up. Now I'm not the muffin man. So because I'm not the muffin man, this might not be the greatest, but I already see that. Looks like I have enough for 4.
That's okay. Well, they are going to rise a little bit.
So maybe I will rob from Peter to pay Paul. The difference between me and Kristen is I'm like OCD about following directions to a T, and she's not. But her food tastes better than mine, so.
Yeah, you gotta break the rules sometimes. Add a little bit of extra this and a little less that, and maybe not add that at all and add this.
I feel like
Break the
my
rules.
cooking skills are the equivalent of Easy Bake.
Aww, I think you're a step up from that.
I'll step up from that. Thanks for the confidence.
Of course.
Look how messy this looks. I saw people on YouTube making videos of making this and testing it out. So I thought, you know, it'd be a good idea to try it. This was the only one at the store that was a jalapeno cornbread, which I found really interesting. And they also had a spicy cinnamon cornbread. And I don't know if that's my cup of tea, but if you guys would like to see that, let us know in the comments and maybe we can make that one.
Absolutely.
Okay, we got the oven set at 425 and we are going to put these in for 18 minutes. Alright guys, so we have finished them and this is what they look like. So we're going to go ahead and do a taste test.
Alright, I love cornbread and I love jalapenos. I do love spicy stuff. This does have a 2 out of 5 meat, hotness scale.
She's more unsure about my cooking skills versus the actual box, but we shall see.
I let him just go at it and stuff, so it's very steamy. I don't know if you can see that, but it is definitely hot. Okay.
Is it hot?
It's got a little bit of sweetness. It's actually not spicy at all. That's sweet.
I think it's good.
I mean, it's got a mild little ting, but it's got a lot of sweetness to it. So,
yeah. Because I was hearing that it wasn't sweet at all, that it kind of had its own taste. Because I know some cornbreads are sweet.
Yeah, and I'm not a sweet cornbread person. I'm actually more of a, I don't know how to describe it, but definitely not a sweet person. Maybe savory. But, good job.
Thank you. So there you go, guys. Famous Dave's jalapeno cornbread.
Be good with some chili.